The countdown is on. Soon you are going to have to clear out, take hold, take back the mudroom to make way for the backpacks. And according to my next guest, this shift and reset in your surroundings will help everyone adapt to the new school routine. Professional organizer Michelle Inkley joins me to give her best back-to-school organizing ideas. It's so great to see you.
You too, Brett.
And it's time, like we feel it. After a summer of, you know, wet towels and swim bags, it's like, let's bring in the school stuff.
Yes, no schedules. Now let's get into a routine, get a schedule, and let's get organized.
What I love about your approach, though, is it's not just about making it look pretty. It will, and it can, but it's about the function. And as I described, the overall mood in the house is just better and smoother when things are in their proper place.
Yeah, I think so. And I think every mom has a different pain point of chaos. So there's some moms that can handle it, some moms that need everything put away. We're going to talk about all those little pain points and all those areas so that you can choose for your family what works best for you.
Pain point number one, homework, kind of the office supply station.
Yes, homework. So here's the thing about homework. Nowadays, so much is digital.
Yeah.
So they'll come home, they'll get on the computer, and they'll do their assignments on the computer. So back in the day, we used to have papers and things and all
back
this
in
stuff.
the day.
You know. And so now a lot of it, not all of it, but a lot of it for the older kids is on the computer. The computer is really important to be in a space in an area that's not closed off, right? Maybe not in an office, not in their bedroom, out in an open spot. So you can see and you can help. So I think finding that designated spot for homework, whether